Dubai is no longer just a global city. It is one of the most powerful business hubs in the world. In 2026, entrepreneurs, investors, and digital founders from across the globe are moving to Dubai for one reason: opportunity. Zero income tax. Strategic global location. World-class infrastructure. And a government that actively supports business growth. But here's the reality most people don't talk about. Starting a business in Dubai is not difficult, but doing it wrong is expensive. Many entrepreneurs lose thousands of dollars choosing the wrong license, the wrong jurisdiction, or relying on overpriced consultants. That's exactly why the Dubai Business Setup Guide 2026 edition was created. This is not just another ebook. This is a complete execution framework designed to take you from idea to fully operational business in Dubai and the UAE. Step by step. No confusion. No guesswork. Inside this guide, you'll discover how the Dubai business ecosystem actually works. You'll understand the critical difference between mainland and free zone companies, and which one is right for your specific business model. Because this one decision alone can determine your costs, your flexibility, and your long-term growth potential. You'll also learn how to choose the right business activity and license type. Commercial. Professional. Industrial. Each comes with different rules, costs, and legal implications, and choosing incorrectly can delay your launch or limit your operations. The guide breaks this down clearly so you can make the right decision from day one. Next, you'll get a complete, real-world breakdown of the cost of starting a business in Dubai. Not surface-level estimates, but actual cost structures, including hidden fees most people only discover too late. You'll understand what you need to budget for licenses, visas, office space, banking, and ongoing compliance. And more importantly, how to optimize your setup to avoid unnecessary expenses. One of the biggest challenges entrepreneurs face in Dubai is opening a business bank account. This guide walks you through exactly how to prepare for it. From documentation to compliance expectations, to how banks evaluate new companies. So instead of delays or rejections, you position yourself correctly from the start. You'll also learn how to secure your UAE residency through your business. Investor visas. Eligibility requirements. Step-by-step process. This is critical if you want to live, operate, and scale your business inside the UAE. But the guide doesn't stop at setup. It goes further into how to actually build and grow a profitable business in Dubai. Because launching a company is just the beginning. You'll discover how to position your business in a competitive market. How to think strategically about location, pricing, and customer acquisition. And how to avoid the most common mistakes that cause businesses to fail in their first year. Everything is designed to give you clarity, speed, and control. So instead of relying on expensive consultants or fragmented information online, you have a single, structured system that walks you through the entire journey. From idea to license, to bank account, to fully operational business. This is why the Dubai Business Setup Guide is trusted by entrepreneurs, freelancers, investors, and professionals who are serious about building something real in the UAE. If you are planning to start a business in Dubai, or you are already in the UAE and want to do it the right way, this guide will save you time, money, and costly mistakes. You don't need more information. You need the right execution plan. And that's exactly what this guide delivers. Download the Dubai Business Setup Guide 2026 edition today. And take the first step toward building your business in one of the most powerful economies in the world. Link in the description.